Everybody, how are you all? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So, friends, once again, I'm here to talk with all of you. It has been long time to me having talked to you. So today, I decided that I must talk with all of you. So, friends, in today's video, I'm going to give you something special. Today's video is going to be very special and very knowledgeable for all the learner because in this video, I will give you genuine rules of learning English language. I will talk about a specific rule of learning English language. And one more thing, let me clear one more thing. In today's video, I'm not going to talk about temporary rules of learning English language. I have watched so many videos, and that videos they provide us, they suggest so many rules of learning English language. But in today's video, I will suggest you very genuine things of learning English language. What is the main rule of learning English language? What is the specific rules that that you have to follow at any cost? Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. So if I talk about genuine rules of learning English language, so if I talk about myself, and as I feel that if we decided to do something, if we decide to do something, that kind of things always comes in our mind. Okay, so we do not think, and we don't have to think that what we have to do again, what is my next step for doing this work. We this kind of things always come into our mind that firstly you will have to complete this task, and after that you will have to jump on other things. Okay, so in our mind we just decide to do this and that work. If you are learning English language, so you don't need to follow any uh, human made rules, I can say. Learning English language, so for learning English language there are some specific rules that is organized by language, I can see that. Okay, language means English language means a kind of human that a kind of work, that work takes this kind of work. So there are some specific rules that is organized by our English language. You don't need to follow any human made rules because you have your own rules. Okay, so for learning English language, if I talk about what are the rules, so rules means the same things that we all are doing. It may be different according to your passion, according to your efforts. It all depends on your efforts. It all depends on your firm desire, I can see that. If you really dedicated for learning English language, so always you will think about it and you don't need to follow any rules. You will complete your task every day you will just decide that I will have to complete this task today, so I will have to complete. Every day you will learn something. Step by step you will cross all the level of learning English language. Okay, and so in my point of view, I think that we don't need to follow any human made rules. Human made rules means if you want to learn English language, so you will have to focus on listening, you will have to focus on writing, you will have to focus on speaking. Not at all, it's not like that. Okay, if you have decided to learn English language, so you will have to follow your own rules. You will have to, and that rules will come from your within, from your hearts, from your dedication. That rules will come. Nobody can give you any rules for learning English language. We can suggest you. We can only suggest you for learning English language what you will have to follow. But your main purpose will make you follow that things. Okay, whatever we will suggest you, whatever we are suggesting you for learning English language, if your dedication, if your passion will not make you follow that steps, so it is useless. Okay, and we are just sharing our human made rules that that we have followed. Okay, and we have followed this kind of rules, but as well as we have followed our own rules. whatever came into our mind, whatever came into our within, so we have followed that thing. Suppose that when I was learning English language, still I'm learning English language, but in beginning of this level, when I decided that I will have to learn English language, I want to learn English language. So that time I used to watch videos a lot. I used to looking for rules. What are the rules of learning English language? I always follow some tips. I always used to right, I always do this kind of rules. I always used to follow this kind of things, but until I knew myself that what am I doing, why I am doing these things, those all rules did not help me. Okay, I was following every day, but I was not ready for learning. For that, I was not ready for learning something from my efforts that I was putting at that time. This is the main part that you will have to understand. Let me explain these things very clearly. And suppose that, okay, and suppose that you wanna eat food, you wanna take something, because you are feeling very appetite, you wanna take something. So we will serve so many things, but you will eat according to your will. Whatever you would like to eat, you will eat that kind of food. Okay, so likewise, English language, it was very small example that I have given, but for understanding it's enough. Okay, so likewise in English language, we will serve so many things. We will serve ebooks, we will guide how to learn English language. But what's your will? According to your will, according to your hearts, according to your within, what your within says to you, you will take that things. Okay, suppose that you are weak in listening, you are weak in taking things, you are not a very fast learner, and we will provide you how to become fast learner. We will provide you advanced structure of learning English language, so you cannot take. You will take, obviously you will take according to your level. According to your level, you will read books. Suppose that we all are providing you so many things for enhancing your speaking skills, so definitely according to your level, you will read the page. Suppose that in the front of the book there is conditional sentences, and if you are in the beginning level, so it's very tough for you to understand that things, because your basic step haven't clear till now. Okay, it is very difficult for you to understand conditional sentences. Firstly, you will have to clear your first step by step. Your within will say you that your within will say you that you are good at this step of learning English language, so you should focus on that. It is not like cock and bull story. I'm talking about reality. Always we think about so many things, and always our mind sees something, our heart sees something, but we follow those things, in those things where we are weak, where we need to improve. We all know about it, that where we need to put our efforts. So you have idea, and that where you need to improve, where you need to work. So just follow what you are within, whatever your heart will say to you. Do not run after a step, do not run after what are the steps of learning English language. You will just waste your time, you will just keep wasting your time on this searching process of learning English language. So just start working on yourself, where you need to improve. Okay, simultaneously you will improve everything. So friends, I hope that you got my point. Today I have talked about very genuine things. I think that it will help you out, and if you have learned something from this video, so please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. So friends, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep focusing on yourself, do not focus on anywhere what are the steps of learning English language. You will just keep focusing on this all things. So start focusing on yourself, because when you start focusing on yourself, your route will show you the direction. Your within your heart will show you the direction where you will have to go actually. Okay, so friends, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day.